Food storage. Just hearing those words can feel overwhelming, right? No space, no time, and honestly, who wants piles of food in their home? But what if I told you that there's an elegant, simple way to build food security without clutter, fear, or stress? Today, I'm going to show you how. Conversations about food storage were a real turnoff to me also. My house was small and crammed. It had zero space for piles of food, and I didn't know how to cook anything that came in a 25-pound bag. My aversion to that idea was real, and it lasted a long time, until an unexpected thing happened. I learned that a cluttered home blocks peace, clarity of mind, and even prosperity from entering it. So I began clearing the clutter in my home, little by little, and when I was finished, I was in awe. I didn't lack space at all. The trouble all along had been that I had too much clutter, so after clearing the clutter, I suddenly had a lot of space. Real space. I discovered space in closets, shelves, and pantry areas I didn't realize were available. And that's when my thoughts about food storage also changed. I learned that food storage is not about hoarding, but it is about organized, intentional living. Let me share with you the 4 food storage rules that I learned that changed everything. 1. Never store food you don't like. 2. Never store food your family won't eat. 3. Never store food you don't know how to cook. 4. Never store more than you can use before it expires. That's it. Nothing about fear. And all about wisdom. Why this matters? It matters because we have seen how quickly the food chain can be disrupted, and our delivery systems are easily affected by unexpected events. For example, during the COVID pandemic, panic rush left supermarkets' shelves practically empty within minutes. As you know, during that time, toilet paper suddenly disappeared, and many food items became scarce. Then, to prevent shortages, supermarkets implemented limits on how much food and essentials a person could buy. But the truth is, we all live through uncertain times, and it is wise to live prepared. Beyond global events, life also happens. Job loss, illness, life transitions are also unexpected events that could affect whether or not we can eat tomorrow. During such crisis, a food storage system in the home translates into stability and security because it replaces fear with peace of mind. It sustains us while we are rebuilding our lives. So let's simplify the food storage task into 4 simple steps. Step 1, declutter. Step 2, know what you use. Step 3, build a 1-month system. Step 4, rotate and use. Step 1, declutter. Declutter your home to make space. If you haven't used something in 6 or 12 months, let it go. You don't need it. Give it away, sell it, or throw it away. You're not losing those things. You are creating space to welcome abundance into your home. Step 2, know what food items you need for cooking your meals. Track what your family actually eats. Not what others eat or what others store. Not what's trending on cooking shows. But for a full week, track what you use for cooking the dishes that you love eating. Leave the list by the stove. Write down the ingredients you are using for cooking during the week. Step 3, use your list to calculate how many and how much of those items you need for a 30-day supply for your family size. You may already have some of those items in your pantry. Download the Pantry Inventory Guide for this task. The link is here below. And use this guide to determine what you already have in your pantry. And use your 1-week food list to complete your pantry inventory so you can replenish your pantry within 1-month food supply appropriate for your family size. The Pantry Inventory Guide is self-explanatory, and because this inventory contains only what you use and like to eat, it can now be used as your shopping list. Use it when you go grocery shopping. Begin by buying the items you need to add to the pantry. This is how you build a useful 1-month food storage within your budget. No hoarding, no waste. Simple, calm, and practical. Step 4, rotate and use to maintain your food storage updated. Place the new items behind the older ones. This ensures nothing expires before being used and nothing is forgotten. And replace what you take immediately by adding that item to your shopping list. Do not put off replacing it, and when your system is stable, if you wish, you can expand it to 2 months, 3 months, or 6 months, etc. This task will be easy because you already have the list, and you already know the system, and you know how to fit it in your budget calmly without going into debt. A food storage system is peace of mind for any day. Choose a system that fits your lifestyle now and enjoy the harvest of security and comfort in any situation. If this system helps you, subscribe for the next video, where I will walk you through 3 simple checklists, elegant, practical, and stress-free, to help you build a wise food system for your home. Thank you for watching Esther Spa Grace Under Pressure.